as a snowflake. On a cold and gray Chicago morning, a poor little baby child is born in the ghetto. And his mama cried, the devil thing that she doesn't need is another hungry mouth to feed in the ghetto. People, don't you understand? The child needs a helping hand. All they grown to be an angry young man someday. Take a look at you and me. Are we too blind to see? All of us simply turn the other way, while the world turns. And a hungry little boy with a runny nose plays in the street as the cold wind blows in the ghetto. And his hunger bird, and he starts to roam the streets at night, and he learns how to steal and he learns how to fight in the ghetto. Then one night in a desperation, young man breaks away. He buys a gun, steals a car, tries to run, but he don't get far. And his mama cries as the crowd get around an angry young man fades down the street with a gun in his hand in the ghetto. On the cold and gray Chicago morning, poor little baby child is born in the ghetto. On a cold and gray Chicago morning, another little baby child is born in the ghetto. In the ghetto. In the ghetto.